You know, it'll be worth a hearing. I can hardly talk English. Please welcome tonight the men and women belonging to Old Dren. Please give a warm round of applause.
Stay there. We'll just key up and that in there. I think we've got enough mics. So we are members of the Ulster-Scots Folk Orchestra. Just ignore that, please. How's it been tonight so far? Before we come along?
Not too bad.
It was only going to get worse than we're calling ourselves a Wayne folk tonight. Sometimes we call ourselves a Clark folk. And we're also members of a band called the Nine Goats Toe, just to confuse things, you know. But whatever we're called, we're going to do a wee song now called the Galloway Hills. This is to celebrate the fact that most of our ancestors came from southern Scotland and from the Galloway region, or the Galloway region. And if anybody knows this wee song, please join in. we're now going to feature our fiddlers playing the accordions. This is Emma and Leanne here, and we're going to do a wee tune that over in Scotland they call the Lass a Galloway, or sometimes they call it the Curse a Galloway. I think they play it down in the south of Ireland as well under some other name, but up here we know it as the Battle of Garvagh. Do you know that tune? Only we're going to do a slightly different version of it, so I hope you enjoy our version of the Battle of Garvagh. Take it away.